Hey there, future real estate investors. Welcome back to Bryton, the Realtor channel. Today we have an inspiring story to share. The journey of going from tenant to duplex owner. If you've ever dreamed of becoming a property owner and building wealth through real estate, this video is for you. I'm Bryton Daniel, your trusted advisor in real estate, and I'm thrilled to guide you through this exciting journey. Let's dive in. First, let me share with you the inspiring journey of someone who went from being a tenant to a proud owner of a duplex. Like many of us, they started off renting a modest apartment, dreaming of one day owning a piece of real estate. However, instead of waiting for the perfect opportunity to come knocking, they decided to take matters into their own hands and pursue real estate investment. Here are the 6 key moments and lessons learned that transformed their journey from tenant to duplex owner. Financial preparation. They began by getting their finances in order, saving diligently for a down payment, and improving their credit score to qualify for a mortgage. Educational journey. They embarked on an educational journey, learning everything they could about real estate investing, from property analysis to financing options. And then property search. With a clear vision in mind, they began searching for the perfect investment opportunity. After careful consideration, they found a promising duplex in a desirable location. Next, it was negotiation and purchase. Armed with the knowledge and guidance from real estate professionals, they successfully negotiated a deal and purchased their first duplex. Now they have rental income. By living in one unit and renting out the other, they are able to generate rental income, which helped cover the mortgage payments and build equity over time. Now they're building wealth. Through strategic management and appreciation of the property's value, they saw their investment grow, laying the foundation for future real estate endeavors. The journey from tenant to duplex owner taught them invaluable lessons, including the importance of financial preparation, education, strategic planning, and taking action to pursue one's dreams. As you can tell, this person doesn't have a name, but that shouldn't stop you. Whether you're a tenant dreaming of home ownership or an inspiring real estate investor, remember that with determination, perseverance, and the right guidance, anything is possible in the world of real estate. Thank you for joining me today as we explored the inspiring journey from tenant to duplex owner. Remember, real estate investment is not just about owning property. It's about building wealth and creating opportunities for a brighter future. If you found this video inspiring, don't forget to like, subscribe, and for more inspiring stories and valuable insights, and hit the notification bell to stay updated on our latest uploads. Until next time, happy investing.